Alright, here goes installation of our bees that we got at from Tubsbury Farm. Shout out to them, they've been awesome to work with, great classes. It's our first day of installing with the help of my good friend Riley. We've already put his bees in. So I'm going to start out with this pollen patty. It's pretty sticky. I'll just set it down there. Got my sugar water and my bees, most important. I'm going to spray them with some sugar water. I'll try my bottle. Get my hood on and we'll get some bees.
Suit up, son.
Suit up. Okay. So first thing we need to do is get this queen bee out. Loose. I think you grab me one of those. I gotta get this queen cage out.
You sprayed yours a little more better, I think.
Yeah. So there's the queen. She's semi-happy, but she's moving. That's the most important. Take out this plug here. That's the queen candy. Let's snap this little baby in place.
Nice. Just quick, easy.
Yeah. Okay, she's gonna get released here in hopefully a couple days. Bees probably aren't too happy with us knocking around, but they don't seem very agitated either. Give them a couple more squirts of some sugar water, make them a little happy. And I think we're ready. You think we're ready? Am I missing anything?
No, I don't think so. Still right there. I think we're ready to go.
Hey, there we go. Dumping the bees.
Came out better.
I think yours came out better.
Oh, really?
Seems like it.
Good.
Still got quite a bit.
You're sure buzzing, buzzing. On your phone.
Okay, we'll put these ones right here. One wasn't very happy. She just threw me through my pants.
Got you through your pants?
It's okay. Put the bars on. Probably not super happy bees.
Not yet.
Getting banged around.
Some of your rocks are good though. Really in there.
Uh-oh.
Where's that brush at, eh? Oh, it's up on the fence over there if you want your brush.
I crunched one. Oopsies.
Up on the fence by your hat. There you go. Just stick some of them down in there. This is the hardest part, I think.
Let's see, I think it goes this way.
Yeah, let's see. A bit toward you.
Okay. This goes here. Put our sugar water in. So 1 to 1. Come on, girls. Get out of there.
You're a lively bunch.
Yeah. Probably not super happy with that. Well, get out of there. Those ones in there will die, but
There you go.
did I get it?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Look good.
Tighten it up.
Squeeze her down. Put your reducer back where you want it when you're done.
Yeah. That's it.
There you go. All done.